Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. Today Nykaa made a bumper listing with listing gain more than 100% of its issue price. So we'll discuss today what one should do from short term and long term point of view. So from short term point of view, the investors can sell 50% of their shares and hold the remaining quantities. And however, all those investors who are there from long term point of view, I certainly feel Nykaa can one of the good investment option as a already leader in their segment backed by strong management. Also, there are no listed peers in this segment which give further advantage to this company, and since more customers are shifting towards e-commerce, Nykaa will further capture market share from unorganized sectors, thus increasing its revenue. So I highly feel that all those investors who are interested in this company from long-term point of view, they can start accumulating their shares via SIP method. Also, I have made a separate video on Nykaa, for which I'll add the link in the description box. All those who are interested can check that. Thank you. I hope you found the video useful. Kindly like and subscribe this channel.